In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your JBL Partybox or the app here from the JBL Partybox is not connecting. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is when we turn on the Partybox, then make sure that you don't that the Partybox isn't connected with another device. So this is really important. When you turn this on, check that there is no device which is the Partybox connected with. So this is really, really important. If the Partybox is connected with another device, then make sure that you disconnect this. What you also can try to do is that you factory reset the JBL Partybox. So simply type in your the model of the Partybox. So this is like a 310 Partybox, and here we have different button combinations for the factory reset. On many is like you have like to press this button and this button here, or this and this. So you have to look in the internet which is the correct combination here to factory reset the Partybox. Okay, and after that, then you can try to reconnect the device when you have resetted this. So what we also can try to do is that we go here into our Bluetooth settings. So go here on Bluetooth now, then here Bluetooth, then on Bluetooth settings. And what we can do is that we have here the device. So go on the I here on the right, and then go on forget this device, and then you can reconnect. What we also can try to do is that we go here on the apps. So go down here in the settings on apps. So I have to look where it is. So here's the apps, and then go down here to the JBL Partybox app, and here make sure that you sometimes you can force stop this. Here on Android devices you can force stop this, and then make sure that you do this. So this is really, really important that you force stop the app. What we also can do is that we go like in the App Store or Google Play Store, and here we can look for the Partybox app. So go here and then type in like Partybox, and then you get the app here, Partybox. So like this, and then here we can easily try to uninstall the app and reinstall it, or if there is an update available, then do the update. Okay, this is really, really important. And after that, your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.